speak few words.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Joglekar, Gokte Joglekar College, Ratnagiri, Dr. Subhash Dev, Founder and Founder President, Mr. Nagraj Seth, President of Vice President of Uran Education Society, Architect Tansukh Jain, Joint Secretary Vishwas Darne, Treasurer Prabir Gupta, Senior Member and Joint Treasurer Chandrakant Thakkar, Ex-Principal and Member Srimati Snehal Pradhan Madam, Ex-President and Member Milind Padgaonkar, Principal Senior College Madhvi Sir, Principal Junior College Minal Madam, HM Secondary Gaur Madam, HM Primary Shama Madam, invited guests, reporters of print and electronic media, grandparents and parents of our students, teachers and dear students. I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of our annual day, which is a great day for US family. Here I am glad to say, rather, I feel proud to say that US is a leading educational institute in Uran. Our institute attracts students with high academic records, outstanding extracurricular activities, and provides an avenue for intellectual development, personal development, and leadership potentials. Students of our institution, under the able guidance of our teaching faculty, traverse along a long path of success and accomplish their most coveted ambitions. Friends, last 3-4 years were the years of uncertainties that are not only restricted to our country, but are global in nature. Amidst these uncertainties, the only certainty is good education. It is the only thing lying around in plenty, and one can have as much one can carry. Education should inculcate reverences for past, respect for present, and regards for future. It is universally accepted that education is defined as imparting knowledge. Knowledge illuminates and enlightens, purifies and beautifies the inner self of man. The greatest minds of mankind has always laid great emphasis on education, and US is a continuation of this hallowed tradition. In addition to that, we already have ideas and visualization of one of our founder, late Pradhan Sir. Established in 1978, academic excellence along with co-curricular activities has been hallmark of UES. As someone rightly said, the aim of education is knowledge, not facts, but the values we provide, a platform to our children to showcase their talent and discover the new facets of their personalities. Our students actively support social issues like environment, literacy, relief. Our endeavor is to inculcate leadership qualities in our children, such as all-rounded systems of education, has helped to produce an increasing list of alumni who have made themselves in diverse fields. Our students are very talented. They can be good dancers, singers, painters, sportsperson, but most of us went upon for doctors and engineers. Friends, here on this special day, I would like to mention that our management, under the able guidance and advice of senior members of the society, arrange a series of roundtable conference with discussions with our cooperative staff and parent representative to take a bold step to give revised salary. I will be failing in my duty if I do not express my gratitude to those members of the UES family who retired from this institution after rendering a yeoman's service. And many of them continued to support and inspire us. The painful moment of the year for UES family was the sad demise of late Sheikh Sir, who has always been ready to leading hand with a smile on his lips. We will ever remember them with love and gratitude. Dear parents, true education can only be delivered in the school when we work together. You at home, teachers at school, and management to support you all. With this three-dimensional approach, we are sure your ward will receive quality education. The fame of wisdom grows more brightly when the wick in the lamp is properly placed and the oil in it is sufficient. Similarly, students given right opportunity, directed properly, and motivated sufficiently can channelize their mental faculty and physical ability towards fruitful activity. Much better facilities of education can be provided if parents pool their talents with the institution. We appeal to one and all parents, come forward to help us, to help our children to work towards the goal of self-control, self-knowledge, and self-realization. We are confident that this happy blend will enrich the child and lay a firm foundation. Once again, I thank all, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you good fortune and success. Thank you.